Hello everyone, my name is Mharz, and today I just want to go on a trip to memory lane. I remember back in elementary school, we were playing with ballpoint pens to shoot orange peels. So we're gonna recreate this and play around a bit. So we need a ball pen, particularly the ones you can remove the top and the bottom. We also need the spine/ink cartridge, for pushing the peels. I'm just running this from memory from 20 years ago, so what you're gonna do is push one side of the pen into the orange peel. It's the side where the top cap was. Keep pushing it and rotating it until you have a peel stuck in there like so. I remember you have to push the peel using the spine like so, and then push another orange peel on both sides. Okay, let's try this pour now. Well, that didn't work. Trust me guys, this works. Let me just try again. Apparently there is an instructable of this which I'll put in the description below. So I kinda checked it out, and apparently you have to use the top side to grab the peel, push it near the other end, and then grab another peel on the top side and then push. Okay, let's try this. Okay, that did not work again. The problem seems to be that the air is escaping on the other side instead of compressing until it pops. Maybe using a different pen? Well, back to the previous pen. Maybe if I stack the peels, it will create a strong enough reinforcement to contain and compress the air. Let's use this one. Woohoo! Yeah, baby! That's what we're talking about. Time to play with this. Let's see if I can knock this half bottle down. Well, I'm not good at aiming. Okay, that was pretty fun, but I still want to try to knock this thing, so I'm doing it point blank. There's no way I can miss. Well, it's not really the strongest projectile out there. Still, don't aim them on a person, okay? Just don't. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little random video. Now I have to clean this up. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Bye!